Welcome to Coloring with Sam Sam. Today's mission is to color in our jungle animal pictures. Do you want to color along with me and be a part of my secret spy squad? Great! Here we go, go, go! Our next mission is to color our picture of our parrot. Let's start with our parrot's beak. Let's use yellow. Now let's color our parrot's body. Let's use red. Now let's color our parrot's wing. Let's use 3 different colors for this. Let's start with orange. Now, let's use green. And now, let's use blue. Can you count how many feet the parrot has? 1, 2. Let's use peach to color it in. And now, let's use brown to color in the branch that the parrot is resting on. Can you help me spell the word parrot? P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Let's create a pattern with our markers coloring in the word parrot. Let's use the colors orange, green, and blue. It will look like this. Orange, green, blue. Orange, green, blue. Yay! We finished our picture of our parrot. Mission complete. Great job. Thanks for helping me color today, Secret Spy Squad. We did a great job completing our picture. Remember, practice makes better, and always have fun, fun, fun.